No need for it. It's ridiculous.
I actually think it's bullshit. Like, it doesn't really make sense.
I think that it's very bizarre that we still continue this archaic tradition.
Yeah, we got a few drinks in for tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's just because it's the weekend anyway. We were just preparing in advance, not crazy.
Yeah, I mean, I just figured, tomorrow to have some wine with dinner, but that's about it.
I bought 6 beers, but that was basically it. No, I'm not that heavy of a drinker.
A lot of people are off, and they should be allowed to go out and enjoy themselves and do what they would normally do on a bank holiday or a public holiday.
I don't understand why religion will influence a country's laws. It's not really, I suppose, practical anymore.
The only reason people drink on Good Friday is because they're not allowed. Whereas if they were allowed, it would just be another day. It's the fact that they're not allowed that becomes this big drinking day.
Not all people are like religious or have the same beliefs, and so it doesn't really make sense to me.
I think actually Good Friday brings people together, and there's a love of drink that unites all Irish people and English people and really anyone else.
I think it's in some ways archaic, in other ways it's an interesting novelty, so it can bring people together because you don't go out to the pub, you go to friends' houses, you socialise with your friends, it brings you sort of friends together.
But realistically it's Friday night and we've all worked a really long day and it's ridiculous we can't get a pint at the end of it.